Getting in the Halloween spirit with Aleene's Fabric Fusion Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Toy Story Barbie costume, just using fabric glue. No sewing needed. Before gluing, I measured exactly where I want the leg warmers. I marked them on my costume, and then I simply used the Fabric Fusion Glue to adhere them to the unitard. After that, I'm going to do the same thing with the sash. You'll let this dry for 2 to 4 hours and it should be in place. It's washable after 48. To create my heart, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of the Fabric Fusion on a plate and use tweezers to dip the rhinestones and then place on the unitard. And make sure to hold down with the tweezers so that it can adhere to the fabric. When I'm done, I have a perfect heart. My costume is ready.